When it comes to protecting your investment, boat maintenance is a huge issue. And up here in the north, when it gets to be towards the end of the season, you need to start thinking about winterizing. But one thing that is super important is to make sure that you take your boat into an authorized dealership and have them go through and winterize your engines. One of the things that I like to do, just to ensure that my engines are protected and my fuel system is protected, is I'll start to treat the fuel earlier in the fall. You know, when it gets to be towards the end of October, beginning of November, when you just don't know if you're going to get that weather system that's going to come through, that's going to shut the door on your fishing season. So what this does by adding that treatment on regular intervals in the fall is it ensures that the entire fuel system has been treated and that fuel has gone through the entire engine. That being said, up here in the north, the other piece of the winterizing process that's really important is when it comes to protecting your gear cases. And I highly suggest, once again, an authorized dealership changes your gear lubes at the end of every season. Now what that's going to do is that's going to ensure that not only you have fresh lube to start the season off, but it's going to ensure that you don't have any water that can freeze and damage your lower unit. So keep those things in mind when you're stretching the season out like me.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.